Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problem is that your Windows updates become failed when you just update the Windows 11 and then it's become failed. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix the issue. The first step is that you just have to run Windows Update Troubleshooters. So you have to do that is before you go into the settings of your Windows, just like that, just go to the settings and go to system, troubleshoot and other troubleshoots and window update and just run. So we have to do that. First of all, we just go into the settings. I'm going to the settings just like that. After going to the settings, the next step is that going to the troubleshoot. Just search a troubleshoot settings. Just go into that, and the next is that other troubleshooters and just going to Windows update other troubleshooters. As you see that section of other troubleshooters, just tap on that, and after that you just have to just see of Windows update, just run it and wait. It's going to doing that and just checking the network connections. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection during that process. After that, just going back, and the second step is that clear window update cache. So you have to just clear the cache of window update. So I have a prompt, so which will provide you in the description. So first of all, you just have to just copy that prompt, just like that, and just copy it, and just going to the command terminal of the admin, just like that. Open command from admin. So everyone, most of one don't know where you can find that admin command prompt. So you have to just go into the window section, window icon, just see on the taskbar, and just have to just press the right button, right click of the mouse, and see the option of a terminal admin. Just tap on that and just tap on yes, and see that you just going to the admin terminal section. So simply just paste that and just paste anyway. So saying that is getting some voice, so we have to just wait and wait for the second. We have to do that is and type. First of all, you just have to just copy that first one and just going to the terminal, and again you can cross it and again open it of the terminal admin and just type that code. The window update service is stopping, so we have to stop successfully. And other things that net stop bits, just copy that and just paste it. Is something doing that in the command prompts. After doing that, just going minus, and the other thing of down, just copy that one and just going again the prompt section of this command and saying that is not defined. So don't worry, we just have to just again another one to just see that its cache is available or not. So basically they can avoid error, so that's showing that cache is not placed. So just doing that, and the other thing, and let's start, just copy that and just paste it. Window update process is starting, so it's just starting the services of the window updates. See that the window update service was started successfully. After minus it, and the last one is net start. Just copy that and just going to the prompt section and just enter it. And saying that more help is available, but typing NET, you if your problem is not gonna solve after all the settings, you just have to just going to the help section, just like that, typing NET helping 2182, that's the code. So you have to do that if you need. So after doing the second step, you just going to the third step. Third step is that check your internet connections. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, just like that. I have a 4G and also I have a 5G connections. So if you have a strong Wi-Fi connections, so it's not showing in my laptop, so that's why I'm connected with the 4G right now. So you have to just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and also make sure that during that process you don't connect with any VPN. So the fourth step is that free up this space. So make sure that you just have to just remove the free up space and remove temporary files. So how you can remove the temporary files? Simply just go into the storage settings. You just have to just copy that if you don't want to type on the search bar. If you are expert on the laptop and using laptop and desktop from a long time, you are simply just going to search and just find that. If you are new users, so you have to just copy that and just paste on the search bar. So you see the temporary files, just tap on that and just see the options of downloads if you want to not need any downloads. So you just have to select that. If you want that section, so you just have to don't tick that. And after that you just see the options of that temporary internet files, caches, you just have to delete that. So see the option of remove file, just tap on that and you're gonna remove all the 979 MB files, gonna delete. So the fifth step is that disable antivirus temporarily. So the third party antivirus can block updates, turn it off while updating. So many users thinking that we have to disable antivirus of the window or not. You don't have to just disable the antivirus of the window just like that. I'm going to the search bar and just search our virus and threat protections. I'm going to the window antivirus software just like that. I'm going to that Windows again. No antivirus and threat protection managed by your organization. So have to just going to that section, Windows security, action need. So it's getting the problem, so you just have to make sure that you don't connect with any firewalls. Restore, and it's gonna on it. I'm gonna go to that. It's getting the problem, so we have to just make sure that we just disable the antivirus from the third party just like that. AVG antivirus is many antiviruses just gonna block the updates over the window, so that's why you just have to just remove that. So the sixth step is that restart and try the update again. So just restart your PC, your desktop, your laptop, and just now go to the settings, window update, and then update your window. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos and more updated to the Windows problems. So I'm gonna upload the regular videos about the window problems. So make sure you like our video and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos.